Sizibona singekho safe sinqunguphele. Silala siguqela ngamadolo kuba asazi bakubulawa abathini abantu bayabulawa kule ndawo. Imihla nezolo akubanjwa.
Abantu belusikisiki la kuhayilwe khona abantu abali-18 basola amapholisa ngokudosa inyawo ukubopha inlelesi.
This section le yethu iseduze nalamanzi le dodi ephuma emine nabaqeda ukugeza idiamond. So le dodi lena iza so labageza lamanzi lawo avela wonke.
Ingikhulu zikamasipalata wetshwane zithi ukukhanjiswa kwemeyara ngeke kwenze ukuthi zisalele emuva izenzelwa. Siyathokoza ukukufumana usilindile nendaba zephasi zika 5:30 ku SABC1 Lotshane emakhaya. Izakhamuzi zelusikisiki ePumalanga Kapa zithi zithwenyekile ngokuthi amapholisa akhamba abuthaka kakhulu ukulwisana nobulelesi endaweni le. Lokho kuza ngemva kobana kubulewe abantu abali-18 engobozana elusikisike nakusa kuba ngumgqibelo. Kudunyuzwe kwabulawa abantu abali-17 emzini embili ehlukileko. Kanti ungazimbi we-18 ubulewe Manxeba izolo.
Izakhamuzi zithi amapholisa adose inyawo ukhulu ekubambeni inlelesi endaweni lem. Amalunga womndeni wabantu abali-18 ababulewe ngempela veke athi akasanathemba emapholiseni.
Okubhlungu kakhulu apha ndilahlekelwe bo-aunty, bo-sister bam, babafowethu. Yiyo into esibhekene nayo and okubhlungu kakhulu ngawo August ngonyaka odlule besikule meko.
Akuyongozi yemoto le, akuyongozi yabhasi lena. But isisandla somuntu esisikhokhelele kule meko inje, so sibhlungu kakhulu.
Izakhamuzi zithwenyekile ngokuphepha kwazo zithi siyakhuphuka isibalo sezehlakalo zokubulawa kwabantu elusikisiki.
Sizibona singekho safe sinqunguphele. Silala siguqela ngamadolo kuba asazi bakubulawa abathini abantu bayabulawa kule ndawo. Imihla nezolo akubanjwa.
Umeyara kamasipalata wenquza uthi unethemba lokubana amapholisa azokusebenza ngokuzimisela.
Njengoba kukhona i-efforts ezenziwa nguhulumeni ethumela inhlobo ngenhlobo zamapolisa ukuzoqinisekisa ukuba kukhona ucwangco kule ndawo. Bese sincuma ke sivuya sibona sisezantsi ngokwe statistics. Siyabona ke ngokuba siphinde sinyukele ngenhla. Asilahlanga ke ithemba because amapolisa are still there.
Ingikhulu zamapholisa kunye nendunankulu ePumalanga Kapa uOscar Mabuyane kulindeleke bona bavakatshele lusikisiki kusasa.
Abatshayeli benkolo yeGauteng basalindwe izindaba ezingasimnandi ezithi nangabe ukoloda imali yama e-tolls kusafuze ubhadele nanyana angasekho nje. Kanti nangabe bewubhadela awuzukubuyiselwa imali yakho. Lokho kutshiwe ngosomkhandlu wezemali nokuthuthukiswa komnotho eGauteng uLebogang Maile.
Zindaba ezimbi ebatshayelini beGauteng nangabe akhange ubhadela ama e-tolls nabe kasasekhona uzokukatelela kabona ubhadele isikwelede sakho nalokho yasekasusiwe.
You can't cancel the debt because it was not incurred illegally. It was the law of the country. And the fact that people decided not to adhere to that law of the country by not paying for whatever reason, that's the issue we're dealing with. So it was not illegal to pay for e-tolls.
Akuphelele lapho okhunyeke nangabe ubhadela ngaphambi kokuthama e-toll asuswe angeke ubuyisele imali yakho.
When people were paying for e-tolls, remember it was legal, it was not illegal. And they were paying because they were utilizing the service. So they will not be paid back.
Umayile utsho lokhu nabe kamemezela ukubhadela kwe-3.8 billion amaranda e-ofisini enkulu ezemali zombuso kanti 3.2 billion ngesikwelede saphambilini kunye ne-546 million amaranda yokulungisa kwendlela. Kodwa nyakuvelaphi imali yokubhadela njengoba iveke epheleleko umayile utshela ababika indaba bona uhulumende wesifunda uzokubanjwa umtshono nakufika umnyaka zakho. Lokhu kungenxa yenjijilo emnyangweni wezempilo okufaka ukumangalelwa ngomnyango lo.
Gauteng provincial government will never be bankrupt. So that's the first important thing. Secondly, we are facing difficulties because of these budget cuts and because of the e-tolls. It's difficult, and that's why we are looking at various ways of making sure that we enhance our revenue.
Kanti indaba nasenjalo isikhulu esiphethe kwesehlangano iOuter uWayne Juvenage ubuzisisa ukuthi kuba yini uhulumende wesifunda seGauteng anesibopho sokubhadela isikoloto sama e-tolls elizweni eli. Uthi akukho ukuvulelekana nokuziphendulela kanti nemigomo ayilandelwa ngefanelo.
uDuvenage bekaphendula isimemezelo esenziwe ngusomkhandlu wezemali nokuthuthukiswa komnotho eGauteng sokuthi isifundesi sibhadele imali ebalelwa ku3.8 billion yamaranda esikolodweni sama e-tolls.
It's transparent to a certain extent, but not to the extent that we have wanted. So, for instance, we've been saying for some time now, how is it possible that Gauteng got roped into settling a debt that was entered into at a national level?
Nakusenjalo uDuvenage ungezelele ngokuthi nanyana ukususwa kwama e-tolls ukuthabisa abanengi kodwana kuletha imibuzo etshengisa ukungabi khona ukuvulekelana, ukuziphendulela nokuphatha ngefanelo nakuthathwa inqundo ngemigomo.
There isn't enough transparency, there isn't enough explanation, and accounting principles don't seem to be applied meaningfully.
uDuvenage uthi bathwenyeke khulu ngalokho njengombana isifundesi sikateleleke ukuthi sehlise isabelo semali eminyangweni eminingi yesifundesi.
Kanekhasini lethu leFacebook siba umbono wakho mbukele ngokubhadelwa kwesikwelede sama e-tolls isifunda seGauteng. Nakho umbono wakho uyalandela mbukele.
Bake basiyeke laba bama e-tolls kunini silinyalelwa zimoto la sithona kuma potholes kudabuka amatayere sithona ama potholes kuqhekeka ama windscreen
manje nakathi abantu bagolota babhatele ngani bathatha imali ebubu mkhathi babhatele ngayo awukuhlakiwa kangaka le Mzansi.
Uhulumende wentandweningi akazami bonyana abhadele ama e-tolls wona la ngombana ngeke kuphele kuhle
vele khona waseqaleni mina ngangasiboni isidingo sawo ngoba ngakuyimosha nje kwemali lokho
umbereko yi-toll yini ngoba kuyafana nemali leyo uma ibhadele uyobuyela vie kubo.
Ngicabanga ukuthi ku-unfair lokho kushiwo umayile ukuthi abantu abaqhubeke bekhokhele ama e-tolls yize noma engasekho ngoba even bona laba abasebekhokhile ngicabanga ukuthi kumele babhadalwe imali zabo back.
Kanti umbono ngewubukeli iSABC ayizukuthweswa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono umbukeli. Umnikazi wekampani eyakha ngobutsha izinto ezingasebenziko usola amapholisa wakanyamazane ngaphandle kwembombela ngokubhalelwa kubopha abantu abambhadelisa imali yokumvikela abathi batsho yi-protection fee. uSwitness Shabanga uthi batsho uvule amacala amathathu okubhadeliswa imali solo kwangomhlolanja kodwa nanje akabotshwa umuntu.
Ikhampani le sele ineminyaka emihlanu isebenza kodwa njenganje iyathuselwa bekodwa abantu abenza lokhu ukuthi wabatsho babhacile sikhuluma nje
ukuthi amacala lomnyaka ngoJanuary ngila ucala sekufika abantu bathi bona seyibo abaphethe la sokufuneka kube nemali lesikhipha ngise mangibuza ukuthi eyani le mali obona babuyaphi basebenzela kuphi o bareport kubani then kwacala inkinga lapho bacala bangithuka and after that bangihlukubeza ngokuthi beze bangivalise bavimba imoto zami ukuthi zingasebenzi.
uChabangu uthi batsho wabika indaba le emapholiseni wakanyamazane kodwa nabe kube nje abasolwa bakabotshwa.
Ngavula icase kanyamazane ngoFebruary kuze kube namuhla bakaboshwa and then nango April futhi benza same thing ebusuku bengilayisha babuya bashaya abantu bebasebenza babathathela amafoni babathathela imali bavandalize la.
Kusesenjalo umjaphethe kaCommissioner wamapholisa esifundeni lesi uZefu Mkhwanazi uthi unethemba lokuthi abasolwa bazobabopha ingasikade.
And at the moment we don't have the figures, but we won't be able to say it's too much at this moment because we still can count even places where it's Kwaggafontein, we have a case there, and we have a case now at this KwaNyamazane, and we have a case now in Emelo, but it seems as if in Emelo it's gonna definitely look like it's gonna be a base, and we need just to pick up our socks and make sure that we are there to stop this thing.
Ngokutsho kwaMkhwanazi ayanda amacala okubhadeliswa kwabosomabhizinisi imali zokuthi batsho ngezokuvikelwa esifundeni lesi, kanti uthi amacala eselabikiwe azokubekelelwa phambili.
Inkhulu zikamasipalata weTshwane zithi angeke zivume bona ezinye indawo ezingaphasi kwedrobheli zisalele engemuva ngezenzelwa. Isekela likaMeya uNasiphi Moya osaphethe idrobheli ngemva kokususwa kwakaSilas Sprink njengomeya uthi ukunikela kwezenzelwa zomphakathi angeke kujame nakusalindwe umholi omutsha. uMoya uvakatshele eRefilwe hlanu kweKhalinene eMpumalanga ePitori.
Likhambe likhuthaza izenzelo zomphakathi lokhu eRefilwe eKhalinene. Izakhamuzi zalapha ziqalele nenjijilo ezihlukahlukeneko.
This section le yethu iseduze nalamanzi le doti ephuma emine nabaqeda ukugeza iDiamond. So le doti lena iza so labageza lamanzi ngawo avela wonke. It is a dangerous place ukuthi nalomhlaba so manzi so thambile lapha phansi.
Abaholi bomphakathi bathi kuningi kusafuze kwenziwe.
The area is still part of the mine's private property, which is zoned for mining and not for businesses. And this has been for the past 20-25 years. Businesses have opened because the residents moved out, passed on, and we need to actually recreate these businesses.
Isikwelede sitshwane sika Eskom sinyukele ku6 billion yamaranda okuthusako ngokutsho kombiko womhloli incwadi ngokuthi inkwelede zamahlela ngakapheli asakhiwako abiza 12 billion yamaranda kufanele zisulwe. Amalunga womkhandlu kaMeyara oqeda ukususa mhlapa nje asola ngokunganikela izakhamuzi zemalokishini izenzelwa ikisibe endaweni esisemadrobheni bayazivumana kodwa inkhulu zithi akunasakhamuzi engeke sinikele izenzelwa.
There can't be forgotten communities in the city of Tshwane. And we find, there's an area down the road which we're going to go to later on, the Ovenwacht, for instance, the Kalinen, the Refilwes, you go to Winterfeld. Those are areas that have become easily forgotten communities.
Umoya uyelelisa inkhulu bona zingadosi nyawo naphezu kwazamva nje ezivele Tshwane.
The political changes must happen and they will happen. However, none of their responsibilities have been tampered with it. They must continue with service delivery.
Idrobheli lizokhetha umeya omutsha emalangeni azako.
Nasi saphethe eTshwane njalo isekela lokthoma lika Nobhalazo mbelele weANC uNomvula Mgonyane uthi zonke inhlangano abahlikihle nazo ukuthi babuse ngebumbano nangabe zinomraro kufanele zilandele ikambiso efaneleko yokukhulumisana.
We have agreed that there should always be interaction and engagement at the political level. We will not want to engage on platforms that are not correct, and it is in our interest, not that we can't respond, but the most important thing is that nobody must assume that we serve in the GNU at their behest. There are so many other parties that are signatories to the GNU, and there has to be also respect of one another, as well as appreciation of what we all stand for. And throwing threats against each other is not in the spirit of trying to build unity in action and through collaboration. We will also in this NWC reflect on the progress and not only the 100 years, the 100 days of the GNU, but also look at how we deal with what was called a clearing platform, where when there are issues where there's deadlock, we find space to break those deadlock, those areas where we have actually been deadlocked at.
Nasibuya entolo.
Isiconcern ngokuthi izulu uma line kakhulu impilo zabantu zisengozini, and then asazi ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani. We are worried.
Ukuchukuluka kobujamo bezulu kuhlalisa abantu kabuhlungu khulukhulu laba abahlala Magega noMlambo iJaskey. Sesigabeni sesibili sendaba nazi kuphundileke indaba ezi uyazithola ku YouTube na ku Facebook na ku SABC+. Abantu abahlala Magega neJaskei Alexander ehlagwini yeJohannesburg bathi bahlalela evalweni lokukhukhulwa amanzi izulu nalinakhulu. Iziko lezobujamo bezulu liyelelise ngokuthi lingayithela khulu izulu ivekele. Abantu abahlala endaweni ezingozi nalezo ezihlanu kwemthangala yamadamu bona bahlale bavule amehlo. Kanti umbiki indaba wethu Lerato Makola uyile eJaskei wasihlanganiselana kumbiko.
Njengombana kukhulunyiswa indaba yokuthi kunamakhazi ezako KwaZulu Natal, eFree State neMpumalanga Kapa, iGauteng ilindeleke bona ibe nezulu ivekele. Eminyakeni edlulileko nezinye izakhamuzi zibhujelwe malungu emndeni ngenxa yenkhukhula. Livalo lodwa ebantwini abahlala Magega nomlambo iJaskei. Inkulumo zezulu zibuyisa inkumbulo ezibhlungu kuShadrack Chauke ngemva kokubhujelwa mntwana ngemva kokuthi akhwele umuthi alinge ukubalekela amanzi ebekabukhali.
Nami angayazi vele ukuthi kuzenzeka kanjalo vele angayazi ukuthi kuzenzeka kanjalo ende ngizamile ngalendlela ukuthola ukuthi imanzi vele angihlulile nokubona ukuthi vele imanzi vele ana accident inyenga yenziko so masi abantu vele ukuthi eish ine stress kakhulu.
Izakhamuzi zithi zikhululwe ezinhloko ngenxa yenthembiso ezingaphumeleliko zokuthi zizokwakhelwa izindlu eziphephileko.
Eva kune space esibangasimuvela kuso then bangasimova then sibone ukuthi siphila kanjani ngoba ukuhlala uthukile ukuthi uma kubuya imvula we're not safe and sinabantwana everything stuff like that ibona bangasenzela nje icebo lokuthi sithole indawo yokuhlala.
Besizwe elihabako eGauteng bagadile.
For now, we are monitoring the situation throughout our 21 fire stations that are around the city. And our firefighters are always on standby.
Iziko lezobujamo bezulu lithi kuzokuthoma ukufuthumala ngelesihlanu eGauteng.
4th of October, that's where we start seeing an improvement in temperatures over the southwestern areas, getting to warmer temperatures. And if you'll be in the northeastern provinces, you start seeing some warmth from the 6th of October.
Imphathimandla esisendaweni ezihlanu kwamanzi ziyeleliswa bona zikhuphe amehlo enyameni. Lerato Makola wendaba ze-SABC eJohannesburg.
Ezivela ngaphandle zithi isiqhema seHamas sithi kubulawe ukhomanda waso omkhulu eLebanon ngesikhathi Israel isahlela ikampa yabaphalali eSewula yeLebanon. Lokho njengoba amajoni wakwa-Israel achinge ngobusuku athi asahlele indawo eziningi eHezbollah Bekaa Valley ngeSewula yeLebanon.
Esinye isiqhema se-Popular Front for the Liberation of Palestine sithi abahola abathathu baso nabo babhubhe nakusahlela umakhiwo ohlanu kwedorobha leBeirut. Israel ithi thuthumbisa indawo eziningi zeHezbollah eLebanon ngemva kokuqinisekiswa ukubulawa komholi wesiqhemesi uHassan Nasrallah. Nakusenjalo, i-Iran iba umhlangano ohabako nomkhandlu wezevikeleko ehlanganisela initshaba ezibumbeneko. Ependulweni yokuzivikela, isekela lomholi weHezbollah uNaim Qassem ulitsho waligandelela lokuthi isiqhema sakhe sisilungele isitiki nakuba i-Israel ithatha isiqundo sokusahlela iLebanon. Umzenda weLebanon eSouth Africa uKabala Frangier uthi ilizwe langikhabo alizukukhona ukuba sepini. Umzenda Frangier uthi Israel ihle isahlele iLebanon. Imindeni ibaleka kancane ngeligwini leBeirut ibalekela isahlelo elinamandla la kwa-Israel endaweni ezingesewula yeLebanon.
Kezemali randa lehlile nalinganisa nezinye imali ezikulu. Njenganje yakhe sichinge kwekwezini ke sizwe bonyana baphethe ziphi namhlanje. Akwande Masangu nivula ngaziphi namhlanje ivekeni le? Masango akwande?
Sithokoze Cedric uzakithi nje ihlelo zibuya nabazumi elokusikima imizuzu namhlanje ngemva kwe-oil standard sebesiphethe ezimayelana nentengo yembaseli ukuthi nenyangena kaSewula le kunekhonakalo ukuthi yehle. Siyoqala ke nehlangothini lokuthi ama e-tolls isikoloto sakhona la esifundeni seGauteng namhlanje kuvezwe icheck-ke ekhombisa ukuthi siyathoma ukubhadelwa-ke isikoloto lesi. Siyoqala-ke nalapha esifundeni seMpumalanga kaNyamazana kusonamabhizinisi lapho lila ngokuthi amapholisa ayaliselela ukubopha abogalajana laba abathelisa abosomabhizinisi ukuthi bababhadele imali. Sokwakha umkhanyo mayelana nokuthi umbuso webumbano lesitshaba i-GNU amalanga nama-22 inyanga le bekade ahlanganisa umbuso lo uhlanganisa amalanga alikhulu use-ofisini. Sokwakha umkhanyo-ke nomcozululo wepolitiki ngalokho. Sithokoze Cedric sibuyisele indambo ngakuwe.
Kuthokoze thina Phondo Libomvu. Lochane ekhaya ngomvulo akhe sicale msinyazana ukuthi bunjani ubujamo bezulu. Sithola lapha ke ukuthi kunamathuba wezulu alinganiselwa nge-60% ukusuka eCape Town uchinge ngapha ngendawo zakuboqeberha ukuthi na uthi uqala kezinye indawo ngale ngePumalanga Kapa nokho ke lithi 30% kodwa ke aqine khulu ngale ngeDurban nge-80%. Bekuyabonakala ke ukuthi kukhona ke negabhogo eliza kutholakala kanti ke kusasa amathuba athi 30% ngale ke ngeDurban ukuthi lapha eGqeberha wathole nakhona ke kodwa 30% kezinye indawo zivulile. Silemukiso ke lesi somoya onamandla eSewula nenaga yeSewula Afrika bese ke lihwaba ke leli njengoba nakade sesisele sithwile nangale ke ngakwaZulu Natal ke kwazakala nangale ngendabeni. Sasa ke kubonakala ke kodwa kunomoya onamandla eSewula nenaga. Siyakusuduka bona ukwazi uqala amazinga wokuchisa eGauteng ibonakala ke ipholile khulu endaweni eziningi eJohannesburg nge-18 eSprings angithi lapha nge-19 bese eSprings nge-18 iPitori yona ke nge-21 iLimpopo yona ke ithi ukufuthumala lapha eMusina neliphalale nePhalaburwa nge-24 iThoya ndo ipholile nangemva kwamadina nge-23 siyalapha ke esifundeni sangeMpumalanga sibona ke nakhona kupholile endaweni eziningi iMashishi nge-18 isikhukhuza nge-23 bomhlanga veza ubuhle bo-22 bo-23 KwaZulu Natal ibonakala ke imakhazana lapha eKokstad pheze imini yonke ePietermaritzburg kubuya nganeno nge-17 ngale ke ngakubo Richards Bay neDurban yi-19 lapha ke eMpumalanga Kapa sibona ke khona kumakhaza njengoba kubonakele nje ukuthi nehwaba likhona nangale ngesifundeni sange Western Cape namkhana eNtshonalanga Kapa nakhona ke kumakhaza endaweni eziningi abantu bambathe bafuthumele iMossel Bay nge-14 siyokucalela lapha isifunda sangale ngeNorthern Cape sibona naso ke sipholile kube makhazana kakhulu lapha eSutherland siyokucala ke eFreystata kubonakele ukuthi nakhona endaweni eziningi kumakhaza hle khulukhulu ke ekseni iNorthwest ithoma ke nayo ngamakhaza ekseni nokho ke yona ibuya nganeno ke ngokuphola ngokuhamba kwesikhathi sibonani kodwa esikhathini esilandelako